Siddharth from Toyboy, and today I'm introducing this remote control spider, and this is the remote. This has two modes. It has mode 1 and mode 2. I am gonna do mode 2 first because the spider is on mode 2, and the difference between the mode, there's no difference between the mode except for speed. So mode 2 is a bit fast. Mode 2 is very fast. This can go backwards, front, and it can turn left and right. And then now we're going to switch to mode 1. Okay, switch to mode 1. So there's no difference in speed, and you can't even feel the speed difference. So this was a short video just to take a look at this remote control spider. So thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye.